And here I have Lakanto drinking chocolate. This is sugar-free, sweetened with monk fruit, and this stuff tastes amazing. Keto-friendly, 1 net carb, vegan, 1 billion probiotic per serving, 0 sugar. But this is great stuff. You can read all the other ingredients and things online. But chocolate milk 2.0, this stuff is really, really good. So use milk or hot water. Put in, I like doing half water. Okay, then also directions say for, I think it's 3 teaspoons, but who doesn't like chocolate? So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons to make it nice and chocolatey, because 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon, so we're just gonna get that extra chocolatey flavor in there. We'll do a quick stir of this and really dissolve it up in the hot water. And then we'll add our milk to it to make it nice and creamy. So there you go, check that out. This is going to be delicious. Oh yeah, is what you're gonna get out of this. So very good product from Lakanto, sugar-free, drinking chocolate, tastes almost like the real thing, fraction of the calories and sugar in it. So you can add other things to this if you wanted to add some whipped cream or things like that, but this tastes great just like it is. But can highly recommend this for sure. Check it out.